Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're tired of dealing with dry, flaky skin, I've got something for you today that promises to deliver hydration without the heavy, greasy feeling. Let's talk about Lubriderm's Daily Moisture Lotion with Pro-Ceramide. It's a 32-ounce bottle of goodness, specially designed to keep your skin moisturized for up to 24 hours. So, if you're looking for a lotion that actually works, stick around and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more honest beauty reviews. Lubriderm Daily Moisture Lotion with Pro-Ceramide is a lightweight, non-greasy lotion designed to hydrate and restore your skin's moisture barrier. It's formulated with two key ingredients, shea butter and glycerin, along with Pro-Ceramide, which is meant to penetrate deep into the skin and lock in moisture. Whether you're looking to hydrate your face, hands, or body, this lotion promises a quick absorption that won't leave you feeling greasy. It's allergy tested, dermatologist approved, and is free from parabens, phthalates, and dyes. Plus, it's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Now let's talk about how this product actually performs in real life. I've been using this lotion for the past week, incorporating it into my daily skincare routine. Right from the start, I noticed how quickly it absorbed into my skin, no greasy residue or sticky feeling, which is such a plus when you're in a hurry. I applied it in the morning and evening, focusing on my arms, legs, and hands, and I could feel the hydration almost instantly. It leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth, but not slick or oily, which is often a concern for those with sensitive skin or combo skin. In terms of texture, it has a creamy consistency that feels very luxurious, but it's still lightweight. It's a perfect balance between moisturization and weight, which is a big win if you're someone who doesn't want to feel like you're walking around with a thick layer of product on your skin. It has a very light scent, not overpowering at all, which makes it great for those who prefer unscented or mild fragrances in their skincare. And because it's non-comedogenic, it won't clog your pores, making it suitable for both your face and body. That's a huge plus if you've struggled with breakouts from thicker creams. Now for the pros and cons. The pros? Fast absorption. It sinks in within seconds, so you don't have to wait around to get dressed. No greasy residue. I love that it leaves my skin feeling hydrated but not weighed down. Suitable for all skin types. Whether you have dry, sensitive, or combination skin, this product works. Affordable, considering the 32-ounce bottle and the fact that it lasts throughout the day, it offers great value for money. The cons: the scent, while mild, might not appeal to everyone, especially if you're used to fragrance-free products. While it claims to provide 24-hour hydration, you might need a top-up if you're in a very dry climate or have extremely dry skin. It's not a heavy-duty overnight balm. Now let's talk about the value for money. A 32-ounce bottle of this lotion is definitely a good investment if you're looking for something that lasts and provides consistent hydration. When you factor in the quality of the ingredients, like glycerin and shea butter, it's a solid product that delivers on its promise. I think it offers great value, especially considering the price point for a dermatologist-developed lotion of this size. You'll find that this one checks all the boxes: affordability, hydration, and suitability for multiple skin types. In terms of comparisons, there are a lot of lotions out there that claim 24-hour hydration, but few combine such a lightweight texture with intense moisturizing ingredients like glycerin and shea butter. Other lotions like Glycerin or CeraVe also offer similar hydration, but the Lubriderm formula seems to strike the right balance of moisture without feeling too thick or heavy. Plus, if you've used those and found them a bit too heavy, this one might be a good alternative. As for build quality and longevity, I have to say I'm impressed. The pump bottle design is super convenient, especially when you're applying it to your body or hands, and I like that it's a large enough size to last for a while. Given that it's allergy tested and dermatologically approved, it shows that the brand stands behind the product's efficacy, and I feel confident using it every day without worrying about irritation or dryness coming back too soon. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to customer support, I haven't had a direct interaction with Lubriderm, but the brand has a solid reputation for delivering reliable, dermatologically backed products. It's widely available at many major retailers, so you should have no trouble finding it if you decide to give it a go. Let's talk alternatives. If this particular lotion isn't quite what you're looking for in terms of price or formula, brands like CeraVe and Aveeno offer similar lotions that might also meet your needs. If you're on a tighter budget, some drugstore brands like Vaseline or Nivea might be more affordable options while still delivering great hydration. To sum up, Lubriderm Daily Moisture Lotion with Pro-Ceramide is a solid choice for anyone looking to keep their skin hydrated without the heavy feel. It offers great value, works for all skin types, and doesn't leave you feeling greasy. While it may not be the heaviest moisturizer for extremely dry skin, it does the job for everyday hydration and is a great addition to your skincare routine. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.